Struggling to track your child support payments can be stressful. But what if I told you there's a way to easily monitor them online, right from the comfort of your home? In this explainer, we'll guide you through every single step of the process.
Look, we totally get it. Missing payments or sitting on endless hold times listening to elevator music can be incredibly frustrating. So today, we're diving into a 24/7 digital solution that literally puts you completely in control of your account. Okay, here's our quick roadmap for today. We're going to start with an overview, walk you through setting up your account, navigating the web portal, managing payments on mobile, and finally, some troubleshooting tips.
Starting off with Section 1, an overview of Ohio child support.
So, the Ohio Department of Job and Family Services, or ODJFS, runs this secure online environment. And this is a really big deal because whether you're paying or receiving support, accurate tracking is what ensures financial security for you and, most importantly, the kids. They built this portal so you can quickly pull up your up-to-date case information without ever having to make a single phone call.
Let's move right into Section 2, setting up your account.
Now, you'll see there are two slightly different paths for registration here, because you first need to create an OHID account, which is basically just a secure statewide login. If you have an Ohio driver's license, it's a breeze. You just need your social security number, date of birth, and an email. But if you don't have an Ohio ID, you've really got to pay close attention. You'll need your 7-digit case number, social security number, email, and then either your 12-digit web ID if you're the one paying support, or the last 4 digits of your Smiley One card or direct deposit account if you receive support.
Once you've got your documents ready, just follow these 4 simple steps. First, create that OHID account from the main login page, then punch in your personal and case details. Third, create a user ID and password, and finally, actually definitely remember this part, you will get an activation code via email that you have to enter within 2 hours. If you miss that 2-hour window, you're going to have to start the whole thing over, which is a massive headache.
If you do hit a roadblock, don't panic. If you don't see that activation email pop up, just check your spam folder for a message from Do Not Reply at childsupport.ohio.gov. And if you need your 12-digit web ID but don't know it, just call the state help desk at 1-800-686-556 during regular business hours. Oh, and of course, write down your new login info somewhere safe.
Okay, Section 3, let's navigate the web portal.
Once you are fully logged in, you'll see this portal is incredibly comprehensive. Based on a great guide by the Legal Aid Society of Cleveland, we can see exactly where everything is. The home page gives you your recent payment activity. The calendar page? That's an absolute game changer. It highlights dates in green so you know exactly when your payment's posted. And if you ever need official records for, say, a loan application, the My Support Order page lets you print out 2 full years of your payment history.
You can also use the top menu to easily manage your account on the fly. You can opt right into automated email alerts, so you know the very second a payment drops, update your contact or employment info, and even check your health insurance details. Plus, it's the exact spot to securely update your direct deposit or SMU-known Visa card options, totally skipping the customer service wait line.
Section 4 focuses on payment methods and mobile access.
So if you get your payments on the Ohio eQuick MasterCard, knowing the fee structure is going to save you a ton of money. You get free cash back with purchases at a bunch of participating stores. For ATMs, you'll definitely want to stick to Fifth Third Bank or Alliance One locations to dodge those nasty surcharges. But keep in mind, after your first free cash withdrawal at Alliance One each month, there's a 75-cent fee. And checking your balance at an ATM costs 40 cents. So definitely check your balance online instead, because that is completely free.
Now, ODJFS also has a mobile app for Apple and Android, and it puts the power of the portal right into your pocket. You can pay by credit card directly in the app, look back at 24 months of payment history, get push notifications right to your phone, and securely message your local child support worker.
But hey, we have to keep it real and look at the full picture here. Sometimes technology just doesn't cooperate. Take this Google Play review from a user named Kristen. She points out that after a recent upgrade to the new HOID security system, the app would just spin and spin for some users. And honestly, it is super frustrating when you just want to check your balance and you can't get in.
But here's the workaround, and a major takeaway for you today. ODJFS is actively fixing these bugs, but if you ever get stuck on a spinning screen on your phone, just open up your mobile browser or hop on a computer. The web portal has the exact same secure information and features, so you are never truly locked out of your financial data during app maintenance.
Let's look at Section 5, Troubleshooting and Support Resources. Your local county child support enforcement agency, or CSEA, is absolutely your best friend for specific case problems. The state has these detailed contact directories available, like this snippet here showing counties Adams through Delaware, giving you their direct emails and phone extensions. If you have missing payments or a weird error on your account, these local workers are the ones who can actually open up your individual file and fix it.
To reach out, you can shoot them a secure message right through the portal's message center or call the state help desk. But here is the absolutely most crucial piece of advice for this entire explainer. Keep your address updated. The e-Quick Pay cards expire and get reissued every 3 years. If your address is wrong in the portal, your replacement debit card will get lost in the mail, completely freezing your access to your funds. Don't let that happen to you.
Finally, our conclusion and a few additional resources.
Look, by taking just 10 or 15 minutes today to set up your OHID and register for this portal, you completely wipe out the stress of wondering when your payments are going to show up. It gives you 24/7 visibility into your balances and really puts the power to secure your family's financial future right back in your own hands. Just a quick note to wrap things up. The information in this explainer is accurate as of July 2026. You should always consult a legal professional for advice tailored to your specific circumstances. For more help, definitely head over to the official ODJFS website. And hey, if this breakdown helped you out today, please drop a like, hit subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss another explainer. So I'll leave you with this. Financial peace of mind is truly just a few clicks away. Now that you know exactly how the system works, what's stopping you from logging into the Ohio Child Support Portal and securing your account today? Thanks so much for learning with us.